Hey guys, we're back. Sure you know what this is. It's a funny looking thing here. This is our old friend. This is our baby. This is This is the XK Battle Cat. This is the one, man. This is the Rat Rod. Whoa. You see me talk about the wind and complain about this and that and this and that? Well, I don't want to toot one's own horn, toot toot. But this is the wind cutter, the bugs killer, the man, bring it on. I got you. Let's kick some ass, flyer. Thought I was bullshitting. Stealth, no noise, just deadly. Brute force. Oh. I'll adjust my camera in a minute. Let the wind bring it back to me. Hold it, do, baby. That was bullshit. You thought I was bullshit? Huh? This motherfucker's bad. You just got to keep orientation, dog. Because, man, your eyes will play tricks with you. There's no camera on this bird, so you can't see what it's going through. Matter of fact, I'm going to bring him down because I'm not trying to clown. If that sun peeks from around that corner for 10 seconds, I'm in trouble. And you see the airplane above me. I see it and I respect it, and we're gonna chill, man. We're gonna try to stay not even half the height of these trees. This is the cutter, man. This is the wind cutter, the altitude getter, but you have to know how to bring her back down or make her fall. You have to use the gravity and the wind with you, or she will be lost, man. You know? And it's daytime actually makes it harder because we don't have the assistance really of orientation lights. We just have, you know, memory response in terms of what direction we were going. And so any type of turn, any type of alteration in direction, you have to memorize where you're going, because your eyesight could make you think you're coming when you're going, and you're going when you're coming, and, you know, kind of like dating. I don't know. Anyway, and I'd love to do a high-speed pass, but see, I'd have to get some distance away from me, and then when I do that and then try to come back, I'm gonna get height. And if I get height, I get that thing behind me, I'm in trouble. See, the sun is to my right eye, so I don't know if you see, that's trouble, man. When we want to keep it safe, it's daytime, there's a population, there's cars. I'm right next to a university, not university, I'm right next to, like, you know, a junior college. When they're as we speak, they're in there learning Hitlerian tactics They're learning 20 different various ways to call you a racist or, you know, something dumb. All right. Hey, that's a beautiful dog, man. No problem, bro. I wish my... Oh, hey, the camera on my head. Let me see it. Let me see if I can get this. Hey, puppy. God, you're beautiful. I hope you come out on my camera. Beautiful dog, man. Right, right. Yeah, the same with this thing. Oh, it's insane. They can go away more, but I'm trying to work with the wind and the sun. I don't want to, you know, get it in trouble. This thing will pass those apartments up there, man. But there's no GPS, no nothing. So if I lose her, she's gone. Yeah. I'm keeping it close, but it's like a hot rod, bro. I want to open her up, but I know I'd be asking for trouble, man. I can't even burn a little rubber. See, it's super fast, man. Yeah, if you ever want to check them out, it's called an XKX 350, and I just modified the hell out of it though. But it's the wind, man. I gotta know it, or else I'm done. And this thing has the power though too, cause if it didn't have power, even if you're doing it right, Mother Nature's gonna take her away, man. I've lost my share, man. Crashed my share, but you know. This is actually easier to fly at night.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because the lights on it, I can get more crazy. Yeah, I know where I'm at. Right now, it's all like I have to kind of go off of memory, man. All right. Take care of that beautiful dog, man.
Maybe I'll see you next time.
Yeah, I come through. You see that Chevy right there, man, the classic. That's me, or the guy with the cowboy hat. Right. I'm just old retired lowrider, dog. So you got a long flight time on this too, man. Bring it home. Check that battery. Look, battery's still good. Got green light. No tricks. I know. See, you guys, man. I'm telling you, you acro guys, man, you need to build you one of these and give it a try. I mean, this is about as close to a stunt flyer as I'm gonna get. I mean, yeah, I really want to try those like Walkeras and those little Ishings. You know, mostly because they're brushless and they're fast and they're speedy. I'm not interested in the whole FPV thing, man. I really want some speed and high passes. But you acro guys and trick guys, man, I'm telling you, the XK, man, you open this thing completely up. See, I don't do not one flip. I don't do any acro. But I bet you guys, if you put those reversible, remember this thing's reversible. You put those reversible blades on this rat rod frame, I'm telling you, you're going to have a ball, man. And these frames are only like 15 bucks. Maybe they won't stand up to all that torquing and twisting, so maybe you may have to spend a little more for a stronger frame. You know, I'm not really a big fan of the whole authentic carbon fiber thing because, for one, that carbon fiber is conductive. it's you know, in my mind, I could be wrong, but it's like flying around a fucking big old piece of metal, man. So if you have electricity on that frame that you're flying, well, you should just bear in mind you probably have electricity going through the frame itself, and I'm not cool with that, man. I just don't like the idea of that, you know. But these $15 frames, man, you trick guys, give this thing a chance, man. This thing, I'm telling you, I'm just cruising, but this thing is a massive fucking acrobatic hot rod. I'm not about to do none of that reverse shit, acro shit, flipping shit. I've lost too much and I break too much as it is, but you guys, man, you should do it. Just try it. You're gonna be like, fucking A, Marky, you're fucking so fucking right. God, the KX350s, man, put it back on the throne because it is king. I'm telling you, man, I keep ranting, you know, don't, like I say before, don't get it. Keep doing what you're doing, man. You know, pretend there's a better, stronger, swifter, more accurate, out-of-the-box piece of machinery with modification possibilities of the yin-yang, man. Somebody's going to take this bird and put a GPS module on it. Chris, Mad Dog, hint, hint. Maybe across the water. Tigger RC, hint, hint. He never watched my video, but I mean, you know, he's seen one or two. But yeah, if somebody's gonna do it, you know, I'm thinking, yeah, Tigger, maybe. Perth, our brother over there in the land down under. Our Ozzy. See, when I say Ozzy, I think of Ozzy. I think of Black Sabbath. Which is funny because, yeah, Sabbath was cool. Red Light. But, it's weird. One of my favorite Black Sabbath albums, well, my favorite Black Sabbath album, sorry, Ozzy. My favorite Black Sabbath album is the album without Ozzy. The album that has Dio on it instead. Heaven and Hell. Man, that fucking album. Fuck, man. Shit rocks. Anyway, I was talking about Perth, not Ozzy. I was talking about an Aussie. Yeah. That dude customizes the hell out of stuff, and he paints them and he makes them look really cool, and who knows, maybe one day he'll do one of these and slap in a GPS module, man. I'm really thinking. Maybe the module out of the XKX 380 or something.